Welcome back to Speedster Squad, the channel where we bring you the boldest machines on the planet. And today, we're diving into something truly legendary. Meet the CAT 980XE, the 2025 edition, Caterpillar's heavy-duty wheel loader that combines brute strength with cutting-edge efficiency. At first glance, the 980XE is a beast. With its bold industrial yellow paint shining under the lights, it looks every bit as powerful as it performs. But this isn't just about looks. The CAT 980XE represents a leap forward in the world of heavy machinery. It's built for operators who demand both performance and intelligence from their machines, and Caterpillar absolutely delivers. Under the hood, or should we say, under the steel, the 980XE is powered by a high-efficiency electric drive system. This isn't a traditional diesel-only loader. The electric drive gives you massive torque, smoother acceleration, and significantly improved fuel economy. In fact, CAT claims up to 35% more fuel efficiency compared to older models, and that's no small deal when you're moving tons of material every day. The operator cabin? It's not just a seat with levers. This is a command center. Inside, you'll find state-of-the-art controls, touchscreen displays, advanced diagnostic tools, and ergonomic seating that's made for long shifts. The visibility is incredible, the noise insulation is top-notch, and the entire cabin is designed to reduce operator fatigue and increase precision. Let's talk specs for a second. The 980XE brings over 400 horsepower to the ground and handles, a bucket capacity ranging from 6 to over 7 cubic yards, depending on the configuration. That's enough to move serious material, rock, gravel, soil, you name it. And the best part? It does it with finesse. The hydraulic response is sharp, and the entire system feels tight, clean, and responsive. Caterpillar didn't stop there. This machine comes fully loaded with smart tech, real-time payload monitoring, automatic traction control, and even remote fleet connectivity. That means you can track performance, efficiency, and maintenance needs from miles away. It's like having a full-time technician riding with every machine. And don't let the rugged build fool you. This machine is beautiful. In a high-end showroom, the 980XE's HD gloss yellow finish catches the light perfectly. Its raw power with polished precision, a true blend of form and function. Whether you're working in construction, mining, or heavy logistics, the 2025 CAT 980XE is more than just a wheel loader. It's a productivity powerhouse built to thrive in the toughest conditions while keeping operators in control and companies ahead of the game. That's it for today's breakdown on Speedster Squad. If you love massive machines with brains and brawn, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what machine you want to see next.